In order to do Tai Chi correctly, we need to know how to walk properly. The main thing here is suspending. But suspending comes from being single-weighted. In other words, the weight will be only on one side of the body or one leg. So when you're stepping, I'll demonstrate. The weight's on the back leg, now it moves forward, and most of the weight, if you're a beginner, will be on the front leg. At a later stage, you'll find it will all go onto one leg. Turn the waist, sink, place the foot without any weight, and then shift into it. You have to be careful when you're stepping that your feet step shoulder width or hip width. If you step too narrow, you're going to have problems turning. So the main thing we want to do here is make sure that you step straight. Also, your momentum will go in the direction that your foot is pointing. So if my foot is pointing out there and I want to go there, I'm going to tend to go off at a tangent. So the foot must be straight. So enough space for the hips to turn, step straight, place the foot, then shift the weight. So assume the starting posture. Move the weight onto the left leg, open the right foot slightly, move the weight onto the right foot, and step straight, making sure the foot is hip width. Then turn the hips, move the weight onto the front leg, shift back, turn to the left, open the foot, sink, close the hip onto the right leg, step through. Move forward, straighten the hips so you're facing the wall, turn to the side, keep the hip in the right leg, step through and forward. So now we have this process of so-called full and empty. As I move the weight forward into the left leg, the left side of the body becomes full and the right side is empty. Now I move forward, shift the weight into the front leg, the back is empty. Then move back, open, the right leg is now empty. Now I'm going to close my hip on the right leg, so the left leg will be empty, and then we move forward again, full, empty. What we don't want is this. You need to control your body. So we don't want to walk like we normally do. We want to develop this principle of one side full, one side empty. Then we can start to suspend from the top of the head and into the earth. Remember to step straight, keep the weight on the back leg, forward, back, open, close here, close in the front and sink.